how to log in or sign in to the TD Bank app. The first things first is, of course, you'll need to have an active account for you to be able to successfully log in on the TD Bank application. Now, if you're using your laptop or PC, just pull up your preferred web browser and then type in TD Bank. Then here you just have to choose on TD-official site, which will take you to the tdbank.com's official website. This is going to be your dashboard. Now for you to be able to sign in, all you have to do is to click on this button right here that says sign up for online banking. Now, you'll need the following to enroll: your TD Bank ATM or Visa debit or credit card, your email address, your TD Bank account numbers, and then your social security number. Once you have all this information, then you'll have to choose whether it's going to be a personal account, small business account, or a personal and business account. Now just choose on your preferred way on enrolling your account to the TD Bank. Then once you do, just click on confirm and then continue. Now, once you click on continue, all you have to do is just to fill up general information such as your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your general information basically. So once everything is set, then you'll just have to log in here using your username and password. The same goes with trying to log in or signing in through the mobile app. Just simply go ahead to your Play Store and download this logo right here, the TD Bank, and make sure that the one that you're currently downloading is updated to the latest version. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can log in or sign in to the TD Bank on mobile app.